Hello, this is Michael from König and Meyer here on the InfoComm show 2026, and I would like to show you our compact stage family for speaker and lighting stands. So we have several options. We have a small plate, we have a medium plate and a larger plate. We have the option with one M20 in the center, but also 1, 2, 3 M20 threads, so you can put your rod combination either in the center, on the edge, or into the corner. We also have different heights, so 6 inches for speaker stand, but also 8 inches for lighting stands. We have color, of course, in black, but also in completely white. So the advantage here is they are really space saving. You do not tip over compared to a tripod, and they are still stable. For example, the 26727. This is our speaker stand with 6 feet, and it is rated for 110 pounds to hold fully extended. So thank you. If you want to have more information, please check out our website on k-m.de.